Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the surface and materials so the stain bonds properly. Clean thoroughly and let the area dry. Contaminants prevent adhesion, so remove grease and loose paint. Once clean, shake the Asian Paints Universal Stainer for 2 to 3 minutes to homogenize pigments and solvents. If you see lumps, strain. Apply the first thin coat with even strokes. This establishes the base absorption. Make sure to test a small patch so you can adjust technique before full application. Once the base coat is set, you focus on building color and controlling finish. You should apply 2 to 3 thin coats rather than one heavy coat because thin layers dry evenly and reduce runs. Work wet edges and maintain consistent overlap to avoid lap marks. This makes transitions invisible. Allow the product's flash time between coats as per label. This lets solvents evaporate and binders form properly. If you notice raised grain or roughness, lightly sand with fine grit before the next coat to keep a smooth, professional finish. You complete the job by applying a careful final coat and verifying uniformity. After the last thin coat dries, inspect in good light and at different angles to catch uneven absorption or streaks. Correcting early saves time. Clean brushes and rollers with the recommended solvent right away to preserve them. If you see blotchy patches, first try one more thin coat to even the tone. If that fails, sand smooth and recoat. For runs, wait until tacky, then level gently. Premature scraping damages the film.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.